Good afternoon. I'm here to do my discussion question one. So today we're talking about ethical considerations in data visualization, and we're going to talk about how some of these visualizations can mislead people and how people can intentionally mislead an audience based on what they choose to share. Data visualizations have the power to shape perceptions and decision making. And so, with that power, with great power comes great responsibility, as they say. It's very important to make sure that your data is true and fair and accurate. So, for potential misuses, people can manipulate scales on their data, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And you can also cherry pick data that supports a specific narrative. You can also choose to leave off, which I don't know why I didn't write it here because I used an example for it. Leaving off labels can also be really misleading. So, in order to have ethical data, you need to be really clear in your explanation, use standardized scales, avoid overcomplication. I know as academics, we love to give people all the facts at the same time. And so sometimes that's something that we need to get better at, is where we only use what's relevant and not like, oh, look at this really cool thing. I'm really bad at it, at least. So for bar chart comparison, I wanted to show you guys this. An appropriate scale for this is on the left, and the exaggerated scale is on the right. You could downplay a lot of data by using an exaggerated scale. I'm trying to think of places that this might happen, like in a population, like, oh, well, this many people are in poverty, right? If you show them data like on the right, like, oh, well, it's not that bad, or unemployment, it's not that bad, right? Oh, look at how good it's doing. And then you change the scale and, oh, actually, this is our reality, right? Something like that. But also this pie chart, on the left, we have our accurate labels, and on the right, we have no labels. Without those labels, it really looks like, oh, well, this little chunk isn't that important, but it's actually 30%, which makes it significant. So not including those can be really misleading. So that is kind of a way that you can cherry pick as well, just being like, oh, well, I don't really want to show them that, so let's just not do it. Obviously, that's misleading. That's unethical, which is really unfortunate. So as data scientists, data analysts, software engineers, whatever your profession may be, it's our ethical duty as Christians as well, and just human beings in general, to use our knowledge for good and to present the data in a practical and scientific and honest and transparent manner. So there you go. My sources are down here at the bottom. This article by Kreckman was actually really, really good, so I highly recommend it.